Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, July 13. 2,175 at-risk youth in 7 parishes are benefiting from a youth camp put on by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JIS. An agreement was signed last Friday for the $27 million project, which falls under the Integrated Community Development Program.
It is also another activity among a range of programs that my administration is utilizing to prepare our youth for employment or even to start their own businesses as we confront the problem of youth unemployment.
24 summer camps will be held in 18 communities across the parishes of Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Westmoreland, St. James, Clarendon and St. Anne. Government is to develop a cultural and creative fund to help more local artists get access to finance. The fund is one of 3 immediate plans by the Industry Ministry to build a vibrant local film sector. The establishment of a post-production facility and the creation of a film guild are also being implemented. Industry Minister Anthony Hilton announced the plan Saturday night as he addressed the closing ceremony for the Jamaica Film Festival.
It is our responsibility, indeed our duty, to support the development of this nascent talent in our people. We must work to make them the owners of content rather than simply participants, and thus the rights holders in intellectual property.
The minister declared the inaugural film festival a success. Hollywood actors and directors participated in the 5-day event, which screened 43 films, 17 of which were locally produced. Medical staff and patients at the Kingston Public Hospital are now enjoying the ease and comfort of 2 new elevators. The elevators were commissioned into service by Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson on Friday, just a few months after another elevator at the hospital was upgraded.
So we are very happy that we are now commissioning elevator 1 and 3 today. And as we speak, we are working on another elevator at Victoria Jubilee, and we'll be working on others at National JIS and Spanish Town during this financial year.
The 2 elevators were installed at a cost of over $30 million and will improve service delivery at the hospital, especially for surgical operations. Minister Ferguson says $20 million has been set aside to carry out similar work at the Spanish Town and National Chest hospitals. The Ministry of Health is working towards a 3% reduction in the number of Jamaicans who abuse alcohol by the year 2018. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says this will be done through the National Strategic and Action Plan for the Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases. The 2013 to 2018 Action Plan has been approved by Cabinet.
Any behavioral practice which is a causal factor for more than 200 disease and injury conditions must be of concern to us. A range of mental and behavioral disorders and results in 5.9% of deaths worldwide. Needs an intervention that is comprehensive in its approach and impact with regulatory measures and even punitive actions where necessary.
Dr. Fenton Ferguson was speaking at a national alcohol policy workshop held at the Medallion Hall Hotel in St. Andrew on July 7. As part of the NCD plan, the ministry will be strengthening the capacity of primary care centers to prevent and treat hazardous drinking and alcohol use disorders. There will also be a social marketing campaign to discourage the harmful use of alcohol and raise public awareness, especially among the youth. And finally, Agriculture Minister Derek Kelly is again appealing to the public to stop careless practices that can cause bushfires. The minister's urging came late last week in the wake of more bushfires in parts of eastern St. Andrew and St. Thomas. He was addressing farmers at the Jamaica Agricultural Society's 120th Annual General Meeting held at the Denby Showgrounds in Clarendon.
Let me just remind you that these dry spells provide the perfect conditions for the outbreak of bushfires. We must desist from the careless practice, such as slash and burn, to clear our lands. Let us stop this practice, ladies and gentlemen, because it is too expensive to rehabilitate. We have to stop indiscriminately throwing away things like cigarette butts, or lighting fires to get rid of our solid waste around our homes.
The Agriculture Ministry has been helping farmers deal with the dry conditions through the distribution of water tanks and other measures. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.